Good afternoon and happy weekend
Lollipop
to everyone. And today, I've gone to buy food supply. So as you can see at the back, I have lots of plastic bags. So let's do the unboxing or a grocery haul. So I'll show you what we normally eat.
And guys, we have this. Don't worry, it's like wait, what is mama?
Happy weekend to everyone. So today I've gone for grocery shopping. So I want to share with you what I've got from the shop. Actually today is weekend in Dubai, so there is a good offer on in the store. So I'll show you what I picked up. So first I have this. Oh, sorry. Actually we love to eat fruits, so I purchased oranges. Oh, it's a mandarin actually. So I have this. This is about 2 kg. And I got carrots and some potato. I got cabbage and butternut pumpkin. This is for Isabella actually. She likes this. And I got aftershave for my husband. I have got this. And now I bought this one. This is a facial wash. So I just want to try if it's how it is, because the last time I bought the other one, it's a Pond's but it's a different one. I start having pimples, so I want to replace that, and instead I will use this one. So let's see how it works. And I bought some Clorox. I use this to wipe the floor along with the Jif. And I've got some. This is watermelon. I got 2 of this actually. Nice color, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I got nice 2 color. Of this. I got 2. And I got some strawberries for Isabella as well. Strawberries, 2 strawberries. And I've got as well papad. So papad. And come show. Isabella wanted to show her, what we call this?
LOL.
Come here.
No.
Come na.
No. And guys, I also have this LOL.
LOL candy.
Yeah. And sorry for my voice. Anyway, Mama also bought, oh my god. See this one.
It's a candy where you can,
and it is free on the Apple App Store, I think, and Google Play. I have Google Play.
There is a game on that. Anyway, that candy, you can put this inside here.
And
so
guys,
see as it like this. See, there's a candy.
And even guys, I have this. This is a whistle. Can you whisk? But I don't want it because this will be too loud.
Yeah, I know. And I got also some Romanian lettuce. I got 2 of this. I'm trying to start my dieting, just salad and some grilled meat. And I've got Thailand guava, 5 of this. And some Indian vegetables for my husband. I got this very small onions because I'm gonna make Actually, I have the vinegar. In that vinegar, I'm gonna put some onions, some garlic, some red chili, and ginger. And as this one, onions, I'm gonna use for that. So I have some tomato. I picked up only few because I still have in the fridge. So I don't want to spoil them. So I have some, these chili, big ones I've got. Because I want to make a chili pickles. This one, this chili I have. I think this is, they call it jalapeno. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna make pickle out of this. It's nice when you make wrap or even in a salad. So I just want to make that. And I have this small green chili for my cooking. And this is chestnut. I have this also. I'm gonna boil it now. And I have aluminum foil. I'm using this to wrap my husband's lunch. And now, recently I found this red rice. This is from Sri Lanka. So I want to try this. It is actually much healthier than the white one. So I want to try this one, how it tastes. I also have the brown rice and white rice. But I've stopped eating the white rice. So instead I'm going to eat only the brown. And now I'm going to try this red rice. So I bought 2 of this. I've got 2 of this. Just because you know, red raw rice. And I bought for Isabella some strawberry milk. She said she wanted this, so let's see if she'll drink, because before also I bought this, but then she doesn't drink. So she said she wants to drink.
I wasn't too sure about that, so that's why. But now I'm sure.
Okay, let's see. And then I bought white sugar. I have white sugar here. And I bought this also, Sichuan chutney. When I make some fried rice, I'm using this also. And some papad, another papad for my... Also, my daughter wants to eat this. This is plain one. And the other one, this one, it's flavored like spicy. Some seeds in that actually. So it is a spicy one. This is like a starter or side dish. And I bought some cubes, Maggi cubes, and yeah, this is some Maggi cubes, chicken cubes, and beef cubes I bought. That's what I bought. I got some grapes, 500 grams, because only Isabella eats this. So I bought 500 grams only. And I got cinnamon roll bread. I got 2 in this. I got eggs. This one I bought rice. This is basmati rice, 5 kg. So I bought this. My husband only eats that, and my daughter. And I bought some caramel custard for Isabella for her dessert after food. She'll have that once in a while. And I bought some turmeric powder and some Kashmiri red chili powder. And I've got some olive oil. We need olive oil with the pasta. And some mozzarella cheese. And this is a Filipino brand, Pia. What? Pia something. I bought this one. So I bought only one. And I bought peanut butter, luncheon meat, just one, and some cheese for the sandwiches. And I bought, this is bitter gourd or ampalaya. I bought of this. I have cucumber. I have eggplant, small ones. So I could make eggplant tortang talong. And I have some broccoli. I have 2 broccoli here. I want to make beef broccoli because Isabella loves broccoli.
Yeah.
And I have some big. Actually, I have a big eggplant.
Guys, and also, guys, Mama knows all about my broccoli. I love broccoli like 2050,000%.
And she eats it raw.
Yeah, I like raw.
So I have this eggplant. I have like this. I picked up this big because I'll grill this and I'll make ensalada, eggplant, or just a eggplant salad. So I bought 2. And I got some onions. Onions, it's about 1.5 kg because I still have some, so it will actually last for us like for 2 weeks. And I bought some cauliflower, some apple. This is around 1.3 kg. And banana. Isabella loves banana. And I bought this. This is our chapati flour to make a chapati.
Yeah.
I love this. I like this brand. And one more thing. Last. I got this. I'm using this for cleaning the toilet, and also when mopping, I'll put some of this and Clorox, so mixed together. So this is I'll clean my floor. And I bought this one for the clothes, fabric conditioner. So basically, this is all what I have bought today. And what is more? And yeah, this is all what I've got. And it is good for 2 weeks for us, or a little more. And all of this grocery, I've spent 400 dirhams, roughly 400. And this is without the meat. So if I will include the meat, maybe it will add more 200 dirhams. But at the moment, I didn't pick up. I didn't pick up meat because I still have in the freezer. So I just want to finish that before I'll bring new ones. So anyway, so that's all for my grocery haul today, guys, and I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.
Please like,